In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads in a step-by-step process, perfect for getting started with online advertising in 2025. Let's dive right in and help you reach more customers and increase your sales through Google Ads. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google Ads. Simply type in ads.google.com and you'll land on their homepage. If you're new to Google Ads, this page provides a wealth of information about how online advertising with Google can boost your business by connecting you with potential customers who are searching for what you offer. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is straightforward. Click on the sign in button located in the top right corner. If you already have a Google account, you'll use this to log in. If not, you'll need to create one. This is essential because your Google account will house your ads, campaigns, and all related data. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home dashboard. Here you're presented with various options and features that might look a little overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. Don't worry, it's user friendly, and with a bit of exploration, you'll navigate it like a pro. Now that you're on your dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab. This is your starting point for creating ads. Clicking on it will lead you to a comprehensive overview of all your ongoing campaigns if you have any. But since we're starting fresh, we'll want to kick off a new one. With your cursor over the campaigns page, you'll see an option labeled New Campaign. Go ahead and click on that. This is a crucial step where you'll decide the type of campaign you want to run, be it search, display, shopping, video, or app campaigns. Each type serves different advertising goals, so choose one that aligns with your business objectives. Once you've selected the campaign type, it's time to set up your Google Ads account if you haven't already. This involves entering the necessary details about your business, such as the website you want to promote, the geographic areas you want to target, and other essential information that will help tailor your ads effectively. The final setup step involves adding your billing information. Google requires this to charge you for your campaign expenditures. Be sure you're comfortable with the payment method you choose, and don't forget to set yourself a daily budget ceiling to avoid surpassing your intended ad spend. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting with Google Ads. By following these steps, you're on your way to successfully launching your campaign and attracting more customers. Remember, the success of your campaign depends not just on these steps, but on continually monitoring and optimizing your ads. So keep experimenting and refining your strategies. Happy advertising!